Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Epson L220 driver. So first you have to open the Google search box to enter this name and model number after the driver, and then you can see the first link epson.co.in, this official website, so you just click on it. Scroll down, select operating system Windows XP, Windows 7, 8, 8.1 and all, and if you are using Windows 11 and Windows 11 it's not showing here, so you just select the Windows 10. Okay, then click on driver, and you can see this is a printer driver. Okay, you just click to download. Scroll down, I agree. Now you can see here the OS will support Windows 11. Okay, you just click to download. After that it will start downloading in the download box. It will take some time because you can see the 29 MB size of this file. Okay, so it is completed. Just single click to open. After that click on yes. Now you can see Epson L220 series and just click to download. Okay, sorry, then select the language, which is language if you require. Okay, and click again OK. Now agree and OK. Now the installing the printer driver may have resolved the minute. After that you can see there are two options to install. First, the network, you just click to search, and if you don't know about the printer IP address and all, you just click to OK and it will start searching. Okay, and then click to OK. Second one, you can connect with the USB to your system. Okay, and just select and then click to OK. It will detect, and after that it will, you can see this connect like that, system to printer via USB. Okay, and then you can install. Second one is the network, so then click to OK. It will search the network via LAN. So or it will take some time, depend about your network, LAN network with big. Okay, after that it will show here, and then the next to install, so it is installed. After restart your system.